How about the super rich matcha flourless cake for this Valentine's Day? Enjoy the aroma of matcha along with the melt-in-your-mouth texture. And the milky flavor of the white chocolate and the bitterness of matcha complement each other so perfectly. And it's so easy to make. Let's get started. Okay. Let's get started. First thing first, when mixing the matcha with the liquid, we want to avoid the lumps. So combine it with the sugar and heavy cream to form a smooth paste. Whisk well and pass through a sieve to ensure no matcha goes to waste. Add unsalted butter and simmer it over medium heat until it's nice and smooth. Place shaved white chocolate in a bowl and pour over the hot matcha mixture. Let the heat melt the chocolate and whisk into a smooth ganache. Give it a whisk to blend everything beautifully. Meanwhile, preheat the oven to 160 degrees Celsius, 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, we are going to beat eggs and whisk into the matcha chocolate in 3 to 4 stages. Beat the eggs and gradually incorporate them into the mixture, whisking well after each addition. Keep that whisking going in one direction to emulsify the chocolate and eggs. And for the extra smooth texture, let it pass through a sieve one more time to catch any stray of eggshells or unwanted bits. Now it's time to transfer the cake batter into a parchment-lined pound mold. Pop in the preheated oven and let it bake for about 30 minutes or until it's still jiggly in the center. After 30 minutes, leave it in a hot oven to cool down to the room temperature. When it comes to room temperature, cover with plastic wrap and let it chill overnight in the fridge to blend all the flavor together. The next day, remove it from the mold. If it's not easy to come off, quickly warm up with the hot towel or burner to melt the just outside. Finish off your beautiful flourless matcha cake with dusting a matcha powder. And slice it up with a warm knife for the perfect clean cut. It looks so gorgeous. Slightly bitter matcha and the sweetness from the chocolate complement each other so well. The texture is smooth and velvety and melt in your mouth with each bite. Unique and satisfying blend of flavors, perfect for the Valentine's Day dessert. I hope you will give this recipe a try. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families, and consider subscribing if you don't want to miss any of my new videos. And follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. And for more information, visit my website princessbamboo.com. Thanks again, and I will see you soon. Bye!